stay or soft wadding, whichever one you choose to call it. And you equally need a lining for this, so use the same Ankara fabric that you've cut out the circle and cut out your lining. So you go ahead and pin this together and sew round using 1/2 inch. When you're done sewing, make your notches because it's circle so it can relax properly. So afterwards, you're going to flip to the right sides, both the Ankara and the lining. Everything you do to the Ankara, you do to the lining also. So you flip right sides facing each other, use your pin and pin this round, then you stitch it down. As you stitch, you are going to leave about 2 inches opening, okay, this part, so that you can turn the whole stuff inside out. By the time you're done making your notches, go ahead and turn and bring out the right sides of your Ankara and the lining. So the opening, you just tack it down with your needle or you stitch it down with your sewing machine. You make your adjustments inside the cap, give it a good press, and your beret is ready. So this is what we have right now. It's a very quick tutorial, and with half yard you can achieve this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.